Ricoh is manufacturing a sustainable future, and you can too. Harness the power of Ricoh's unique aluminium binder jetting technology, combining manufacturing heritage, technical expertise, innovation and collaboration to enable end-to-end solutions. Co-create and develop the future today in Ricoh's dedicated metal additive manufacturing customer experience centre. From unleashing design freedom to enhancing weight reduction, from mastering thermal management to evolving performance, from accelerating innovation to empowering change. Optimised today, influence tomorrow.
Customers,
partners,
family.
Will you support the realisation
of zero carbon society?
Together, we can manufacture a sustainable future. We believe we're stronger together. So, take the first step with Ricoh.